What do you think, Jane? Jane just tries to appease me so I don't change rooms too often. Anyway, that's it. I okay with it. Usually I would complain about all these little things, but I don't know. For the price I paid, I guess I'm okay with it. Bye, Jane. So fast forward 24 hours or less, room 3509. So go figure, everybody. For those that know me, how can I not say something about the other room? Just for their own good, right? They want to know. So here we have, what did I say, 3509? 5th floor of the beach tower. They moved us here. Girl at the front desk, her name was Penny. Very accommodating and very understanding. Much brighter room, as you can see, view of the beach. But here's the differences in the room. So you have a large pocket door here for the bathroom. You guys. And again, if you ever watched the Unofficial Travel Channel with Morgan, he would say that's not Morgan approved because of this large gap. And it can be an issue if you don't like to hear things, but the room is nice. So you walk in, the shower's over here. Basically the same nice rainfall shower head. No one. Nicely tiled. Fixtures are on the wall, which is nice. These actually slide. That's a towel rack. They don't feel sticky, but they do work. And then coming around, the nice large mirror, sinks. They had some more amenities. We're actually leaving here in a few minutes, so we cleaned up so you could have a nice look and see what it looked like. Let's see, there's a towel underneath there. But tried to clean it up a bit. Nice large closet, safe. And there's an ironing board back in there. Nice entranceway as you walk in, nicely lit. Ice bucket. Keurig coffee machine with coffees, nice fridge inside as usual. Some things are a little beat up, as you can see. I mean, the hotel has been around for many years. I believe it was built in the 50s. It used to be called the Yankee Clipper, so it has a lot of heritage. The only thing I found that was actually off the wall was this, but it wasn't a big deal. The air conditioning worked well. Beside the bed there was lights that worked, clock, and 2 USBs on each side with 2 plugs. Came with apparently 8 pillows. No, we ordered extra pillows. And over here, the light, as in the other room. Remember I turned the light on and all I did was flicker, and now it's just a nice soft light. So much better. Nice piece of artwork. Nice place to do some work. There's plugs right there, and also underneath. TV worked fine also. That's our bag, sorry about that. There was 2 garbage cans, look, one there, and one in the bathroom. Nice king bed, it was very nice, very comfortable. Phone, only used it a couple times. Did order some pillows late last night, took quite a while, but they were very apologetic to get here. And then again, 2 USBs on this side. Although I don't think that one works. It looks like it's missing the inners. 2 plugs. Under the light, it does work. Decent sized couch. I don't usually look under the couches, but yes, it is a pull-out. Sometimes you don't want to look under couches because you don't want to find things you don't want to find. Coming back here, you can see it's a very large room. Nice table, little chair, swivel chair. Don't look too close at some of the fabrics, but I mean, considering where we were, this is awesome. They were very nice to do this for us. Now, great view of the beach usually, but since this last year, the Tortuga Music Festival was canceled, which is usually in April, they're having it this weekend coming up. I think it's the 12th. So they're setting up all the stages for all the big name stars that are coming. But usually you get a really nice view of the ocean here. Usually there's volleyball nets here, and there's no hotels beside you. The main strip is down there. It's an easy walk. One of our favorite restaurants, Coconuts, is down there also. And then looking back, you can see the original structure of the building. That's the original structure of the Yankee Clipper. It was made to look like a boat. If you look up top, it kind of looks like a mast. You can see that? See how it looks like a ship? And you look from the street, it looks like a ship when you're driving towards it. Anyway, not bad. It was a nice upgrade, quiet room, close to the pool. The pool is just down here at the end of the hall. Unfortunately, this is the first time we've seen the sun. Just came out about half an hour ago, just in time for cruising. And the beach is right there, and they have their own private beach access. You do get, with the resort fee of $39, you do get the Wi-Fi, a couple of beach chairs. Of course, as usual, you have to pay extra for the umbrellas. But overall, not bad. I'm quite pleased. This is kind of what we're used to when we come here. This is a very nice room, and don't feel like I'm in a dungeon like we did in the other place. Anyway, it's cruise day, so we gotta go. See you aboard Symphony of the Seas. Take care and be safe.